All right, Kendra, I want you to read some of these words with me. Just read after me. All right.
Kitty.
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 City.
City. City.
City.
Kitty.
Kitty.
City. Kitty.
Pretty.
Pretty.
Kinder, what sound does Y make at the end in these words that we read, like pretty, city, kitty? That's right, it makes the long E sound.
Now let's read words with Y making the long I sound. Sky. Sky. Fly. Fly. Fly in the sky. Fly in the sky.
Okay, today we're only going to practice and review the 4 different Y sounds. Remember, the Y makes 4 different sounds depending on where it is. So the first Y sound is Y as a consonant, Y as itself. It makes the yes sound. What sound? Yeah sound. Yeah like in yo-yo, yeah like in yes. Say yes. We also have Y as the short I sound. That's the I sound. Say I, I, I. Very good. So that's when the Y is in the middle of a word. So like in the word gym, J, im. We also have Y making the long I sound at the end of a word, like in the word fly, fly. And we have Y making the long E sound at the end of the word, like in the word baby. All right, Kinder, I need your help reading these 2 big words. Remember, I want you to keep in mind that the Y is going to be making a different sound depending on where it is. Ready? Let's start from the beginning. I, s, t, I, mystic, mystic, mystic. And I knew that the Y made the I sound because it's in the middle of a syllable. It's in the middle of a word. Let's read the next word. R, E, re, p, o. Is this plea or is this ply? Let's see. Reply, reply. Reply doesn't sound like a word that I know. Reply does. So I know the Y at the end can be tricky, but that's when you can practice and try reading it both ways. And you yourself will know that reply is the proper way to read it because you've read that word or you've heard that word before. Reply. All right, guys, I'm going to leave this up here. It's time for our spelling practice. So you need a piece of paper, you need a pencil, because we're going to spell these words together. Ready? When you're spelling, you're going to get the Y changing its sounds. So just pay attention to where it is and try your best. It is going to be a little challenging. Okay, number 1. Number 1. The word is try. The word is try. Ready? Try, try, try. I try. Try. For example, I try my best when I do my homework. Try. Try. All right, ready? We're going to get ready for number 2. Number 2. Number 2. The word is Slimy. The word is slimy. Ready? Arm out. Slimy, slimy, slimy. S-L-I-M-E. Slimy. This word has only one Y. Slimy. Slimy. For example, I don't like worms because worms are slimy. Slimy. All right, finish up number 2, slimy. Number 3, the word is yogurt. The word is yogurt. It might help if we clap it. Yogurt. Clap it with me. Yogurt. Ready? Arm out. Yogurt, yogurt, yogurt. Y. O. G. Er. T. Yogurt. 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 All right, finish up number 3. Number 4. The word is gypsy. The word is gypsy. Let's clap it. Gypsy. Clap it with me. Gypsy. Ready? Arm out. Gypsy, gypsy, gypsy. J. I. P. S. E. Gypsy. Gypsy. This one is going to be a challenging word because it has 2 Y's in it. Gypsy. All right. I'll give you a couple of seconds. This is a tough word. Okay. And now we're going to move on to number 5. Number 5. The word is candy. The word is candy. We can clap it. Candy. Ready? Arm out. Candy, candy, candy. K. A. N. D. E. Candy. Candy. For example, I like to eat candy. Candy. All right, I'll give you a couple of seconds to finish up your words. We're going to get ready to move on to checking our work. Okay, so if you haven't finished yet, pause it. I'm going to show the correct answers. 1, try. 2, slimy. 3, yogurt. 4, gypsy. 5, candy. I know these were a little bit challenging because we had to remember all the different sounds that Y made. So this was a challenge. All right, don't forget to fill out the Google form and thank you for watching. Bye. The pony lived in a very pretty field in the country. She lived there with her mom and dad and her baby sister Poppy. Penny was sly because she would spy on her baby sister Poppy. Mommy and Daddy said, "Penny, don't make Poppy cry." Penny was angry to hear that because it was false. Penny would try to make Poppy happy. Penny found yellow flowers and sang Poppy a beautiful hymn. Penny has a great idea. Oh my, I can make you stir fry. Penny even brought her a necklace with a crystal. She read her favorite mystery stories. Poppy thought Penny was crazy, but in the end, she was really happy.